My dear, gather round and let me share with you a little secret passed down through generations. I'm here to tell you that you don't need fancy chemicals or expensive gadgets to achieve sparkling, streak-free windows. First things first, you'll need some supplies that you probably already have in your home. Here's what you'll need: a bucket, warm water, 2 microfiber cloths or any regular cloths, your favorite fabric softener, the one with a scent that makes you smile. In your trusty bucket, mix a gallon of warm water with just a splash of your favorite fabric softener. Not only will this leave your windows smelling heavenly, but it will help prevent streaks. Dip your cloth into the cleaning solution, making sure it's nice and saturated but not dripping. Now comes the fun part. Gently scrub your windows, paying extra attention to any stubborn spots or smudges. Use circular motions, it's less likely to leave streaks. Start at the top of the window and work your way down. Once your windows are clean, it's time to give them that magical sparkle. Take a clean, dry cloth and wipe the windows dry, using a circular motion. You'll be amazed at how the fabric softener helps to prevent streaks, leaving your windows crystal clear and smelling fresh. Stand back and admire your sparkling windows. You've achieved the kind of clarity that lets you see the world in all its beauty, and you did it the old-fashioned way, with love and a touch of fabric softener. Happy window cleaning! If you find these natural remedies helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring that bell so you won't miss any of Grandma's timeless wisdom.